Here we've got XIAOMI Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer. Now click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to the settings. Here you will notice calling accounts, so just select it and go to the advanced settings. And here you should click on caller ID right here. Click here again, and now you can pick the option, so you can either hide or show number. If you will pick hide number, your number will be hidden in all outgoing calls. Then if you would like to pick show number, you will be able to see, like, all the people will be able to see your number every time you will be calling. And then if you will pick network default, then it will be set up in accordance with operator settings. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.